morning. Does it start the day? Oh, Go pee. Go pee. Yeah. Yo, what up, homie? What's up? This is water. Morning. Yeah. Take my medication because I do have like dust allergies. It's usually strongest in the morning, but then I like to rehydrate my entire body. Let me sit like that, Bobby. And since it's December dailies, I've got Vlogmas going on. Usually I have a video rendering the night before, and right now it's completed rendering. Now this video actually took 6 hours to render. We'll open that folder, create, what do you want, buddy? Alright, fine. I think he's ready for his walk. So we'll upload the video. So we'll quickly take that. Upload. Yes. I think it's time for our walk. So while that is uploading to YouTube, can you take this kid for a walk around the block? Alright, go on. Shall we? See, what a lot of people don't actually know is yogurt drinks, well, yogurts in general, really good for gut health. So if you find that your stomach is hurting throughout the day, it's probably because you didn't get your probiotics. Can I have a high five? Yeah. Probably gonna end up bringing this guy to the garage with me today, because I kind of feel bad every time I leave him at home. During the weekday, usually Shane's at work as well, so this kid becomes lonely and I feel bad. So I'm gonna bring you with me today, okay, homie? And maybe your friend's there. Let's freshen up, get ready for the day, and then we'll head to the new garage.
Okay, sounds good.
Hey Humberto, how are you, brother? Good. Thanks for coming, man.
Anytime, my friend.
Awesome. So Humberto's back, and he's gonna be helping us tint the windows on the RX-8, as well as the front windows on the Macan. Might as well while he's here. Maybe 5%.
Okay.
So that's the darkest, but then in the front maybe 20 or 25.
Okay.
Yeah.
Done deal.
Because I think once the rears are like really dark, the front will be dark naturally, so.
Not sure how we're gonna do it on that wall. So.
Sweet, man.
That can always wait. I mean, this is one sign is enough. We don't need like sign.
Yeah, I mean, it's mostly just for photos, right? Yeah. I kind of want to do the same. I was planning on putting a KMR or the Kings Mastraz logo just on that black ledge part.
Okay, at least
so.
I gotta make that window for you.
And then I can take my photos from here. But yeah, that too. That's like, I have it all planned. It's literally just time. So right now, Eddie's personalizing this place. Actually pretty symmetrical on both sides. Trying to line up the laser leveler on the bottom of the decal, because the actual backing of it might not be cut straight. But that's actually pretty good, man. Alright, so while those guys are working on the Macan, you know what, I'm just gonna do some computer work, catch up with myself, and yeah, probably edit tomorrow's video while I got some time to kill. we're good, guys. Now I'm just gonna render this video and see what the guys are up to in the back. Wow, these guys are almost finished. Looks good. Damn, and the Macan is all finished as well. Wow, makes such a difference. Dang. So much, okay? Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy holidays. Definitely, man. Yeah, we'll give you guys more business for sure. Okay. Have a good day, you too. See ya. What a small city. I was gonna say world, but it's just city in general. But apparently his nephew watches my videos and sent him a link of our last video where they were window tinting Shane's MDX. It's pretty cool. Wow. So much darker in here. Damn. So I got him to do limo tint in the rear. So like 5% and then 20% in the front. But honestly, it almost makes the front look just as dark. That's crazy. You know what? Decided since we got some spare time to kill, I'm just gonna clean the mezzanine upstairs here and start prettying up our countertop with this. It's basically like a wood looking laminate. And I'm gonna use contact cement to put it on this. And I gotta do it to all of the countertops. Easy. I learned the technique from Mo. Yeah, score it and it snaps. Awesome, first piece done. Stone roller. Ooh, you can feel the adhesive. This contact cement dries up so quickly. I mean, when you touch one side that has it to the other side, like there's no room for play. But for our first one, this isn't bad. And also, this thing helps so much. All right, let's put this back on. Amazing. If you guys are wondering how I made my template, I just used scrap paper and tape. And this stuff actually snaps like the floorboards. Easy to work with. Let's put this on. Perfect piece. Look at that. Beautiful.
I don't really got no time to play around. Wow, making beats up in my playground. Since I was a kid, I knew I always had to make sound. Wow. Yeah, 2K19. Swear to God, I'm taking over 19. Hey, bad, hit a $250,000. When it's here, pretty chilly. I've been trying to find me really well. Wow, silly yo, I be gone like Cheerio. Really though, swear we finna get the goal.
You know what? Not bad for a little DIY. Check this. Turn the lights on for you. Look at this. Now this counter is all one. And take this off. Hey. We are going to be doing a full walk around of our new studio slash garage slash retail slash shop, but we're still in the process of moving everything in and cleaning up. Like upstairs here is so dirty. So yeah, that'll come in probably the next few weeks here, but just got to keep grinding. How I look at it actually is you are the weapon, you're the sword, and problems and stress is the grind wheel. You don't want to grind yourself down, only until you're sharp. And then move on to the next project. Alright guys, I think I'm just gonna call it a night, finish up here at the garage, and also just conclude this video, because I'm probably just gonna go home now, start editing this vlog, I suppose, and then, yeah, tomorrow's another day. So appreciate you guys for watching as always, and stay tuned for more car content. I promise you. It's actually being nice in Calgary, so I gotta take advantage of it. I can actually drive any of my cars on the street, which is something actually you can rarely say during the December month in Canada. I guess it depends where you live too. But yeah, see you guys on the next video. Peace. Oh, what are you doing in Shane's room? What the heck? Aw, he probably misses Buddy.